Hi, my name is Brian. And I'm here to share with you our top power tools collection. Just click this banner and get real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, by Gerber. Now on an amazing Amazon Prime Day price. Number 2, another great product by Gerber. This is one of many great products we got in stored for you. Number 3, by Porter Cable. Shop for Amazon Prime special deals. Number 4, by Makita. Available now on Amazon. Number 5, by Bosch. A great deal you shouldn't miss. Number 6, by Coast. Don't miss these great Prime Day deals. Click this link now. Number 7, by Dremel. Amazing Prime Day deal. Number 8, by Multitools. For more info, click the link below. Number 9, by Shop-vac. Get these great online deals now. Click this link for real-time deals and updates. Number 10, by Makita. Our editor choice.